let's take a look at exactly how to do it. And so as you can see, we're inside of my seller account, and you can see we've got 148 open orders, but out of those, there are 144 that we need to ship. By the way, this is the new Seller Central layout. You know, they're always changing stuff. So we're going to click on ship orders. That'll take you to the next screen. And now you can see we've got 144 orders to ship. Now, I could just go ahead and click the main order, and we've got it set to the maximum number of orders that you can display, which is 100. So we've got 100 orders selected. That's not going to work because when you try to do that many at once, you're going to run into too many issues. So what I have found is about 25 orders at a time is cool to work with. So watch how I do it. Okay, so you can see here I've got 25 selected. From there, I'll just click buy in bulk. When I do that, now what you're looking for right away, you're coming right to where it's going to allow you to select your printer. And you can see the buy shipping is grayed out because we haven't selected a printer. It's not going to let you. That can be from a couple of reasons. Number one, if the method of shipping is UPS. Okay, so there's a service from UPS called UPS Ground Saver. If that is selected, you're going to have a problem. So right away, I just go through, make sure I don't have anything that auto-populated as UPS Ground Saver. So far, so good. I have nothing red. So everything must be showing you a price in this column of the cost of your shipping. If it doesn't, you're not going to be able to select a printer because something's wrong. You'll have to either remove that one from the batch. But what I would do is go ahead and click on the order number and go ahead and process that particular one. Then I would hit refresh. But another thing, you see where it says label print orientation. You've got to make sure if that's not auto-populated, you figure out which one you want. In my case, I'm using a zebra printer. I talk about that in other videos, but if I select there, now it will allow me to select a printer. There's my zebra. Now we're ready. Now at that point, what I would do is go through and make sure that I actually have the service that I want. So I'll do that. Okay, so I'm all set. So in this batch, remember, you've got 25 orders. You got $204 worth of shipping. Just so you know, this is the way things start to shake out when you start going big time. You'll click on that and you'll notice up, you'll see, you saw that go up right there. At that point, it kind of downloaded the entire batch for you. If you need to go back and print again, or you can go individual into the order. But at this point, it is gone. It's being sent in the spooler to my printer. I'll go ahead and get that print. And once you do that little batch, you'll notice everyone that printed it puts up here for you that you could quickly go to any one of them if you needed to. You could just close that. And now you can see you've got 119 orders. So just that quick, hustlers. You got everything done and you're all set. You can literally knock this out. What used to literally take me like an hour and a half, I can get done in a half an hour, lickety split. So I hope that helps you out. If you have any questions, maybe there's something that I didn't quite cover enough, please leave comments. If you need to contact me, you know how to get with me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.